Hey guys, Nate from Winter Equipment. Back today to talk to you about the installation of a MōDUS pusher box system for a smaller ProTech pusher box that you'd see on something like a skid steer. Let's get into the installation parts that you're going to get on a MōDUS pusher box system from Winter Equipment. You're going to see a couple of key parts here. The first thing you're going to see is our adapter plate. You're going to use this to actually be able to install the wear parts to the side of the pusher box. Our wear parts are going to feature our skid plate shoes here. We got one for the back, one for the front. We've also got our pusher box wear shoes, and then all the required hardware you need to put all that on your pusher box. The order of operation is simple. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our DAC plated bolts here. Remember, our DAC plated bolts are designed to be corrosion resistant, and we're going to run them from the back out. They're going to kind of hang like studs to hang your shoes on. After we run all of our bolts through, we're going to take the actual adapter plate here and our adapter plate installation kit, and we're going to install the adapter plate to the side of the pusher box. And our final thing will be to hang the wear parts on the studs and then bolt them on with the provided hardware. There you have it, guys, a MōDUS pusher box installation. I want to bring you back and remind you of a couple of key points that we did. The first thing that we did is we ran our DAC bolts from the inside out. That creates almost a stud for you to hang your parts on later. The next thing we did is we installed our adapter plate to the sidewall of the pusher box. Tighten that up, got it nice and good. We then came back and we put our wear parts on. Notice I put the shoe on first and the skid on second. The reason I did that is you can see here the skid overlaps the shoe, so you put the shoe on, then the skid on. Once those are all on, put your nuts and washers on, leave your nuts just hand tight, take your pusher box here, put her back on the ground, let it pick all that pressure up, tighten up your nuts, and you're ready for operation.